Hi everyone. So it's been more than a decade since Government of India initiated Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to clean our country to make India better than ever. And it's been more than a decade, and I want to show the progress of that initiative. Look at this beautiful, well-decorated shores of the sea. This is how the progress is ongoing. We are doing well in terms of making it worse. Well in terms of making India worse rather than making it better. See how well we are connecting ourselves with the nature in terms of destroying it till its root, through its root, whatever it is. Not so good at grammar, but yeah, this is how we are progressing in terms of making India great, making India developed by 2047. This is the path we have chosen to make it worse. And I don't know what to say. A lot of people will hate me for this comment that I have made right now. But this is not the only case. You go to any rural area right now, not. You go to any urban centers or whatever it is. There are certain exceptions for everything, but this is what you will find majorly. This is what actual India looks like right now for the time being. I don't know when the things will change. They say the things are in the path of progress, but looking at who the progress is taking place, I really don't see a possibility in the near future this to be clean. The shout out to our local government, our state government, central government, whatever it is, but not just the government to be blamed. Even the people, we are very much ignorant in terms of our environment, protecting our environment, or what needs to be done. We are quite ignorant. We lack civic sense. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't want to sound controversial. That's why I'm choosing the words carefully. But look at this. We lack civic sense. We lack basic, what I have to say, basic human qualities that a human should possess. Not all, but definitely majority of Indians do. If that was not the case, then why would this be the case, right? If that wasn't the case, why would this be the case? Nice line. Okay, good. Let's not take this too further because people will hate me if I do so. But still, I feel sad to say this is the hard reality of India even today. We are unhygienic. We live in a lot of people live in a poverty, whatever the World Bank may say, but still we live in a poverty. We are unhygienic. We tend to have a lot of problems. Look at the capital city of India. You will understand when you go there in the winters. If you know, right? But still, I have some optimistic feeling about my nation because people are educating themselves. People are developing, and slowly I hope everything will change. I believe in the people, I believe in our country, but this needs to change. Rather than making it better, we are making our country worse. A huge load of population in the small area, polluting it. It doesn't make any sense. Let's liberate our Mother Earth. Let's liberate our nation. Let's liberate our country from the things we are doing. Let's make it a country. Once it was golden bird. India was called as a golden bird. It used to be a golden bird, but today we have left it not like that. The Brits played a role, but today it's our turn. We are doing the same. Let's make sure we make it better. Let's make sure our country stands to what it was, rather than thinking about the past, how it was, the glory we had. Let's bring back the glory by ourselves. We Indians created that glory, the Mohenjo-daro, the Harappa. It lies in Pakistan today, but we have contributed to this world. Let's make that once again real. Let's hope. I have an optimistic feeling. It's not the government that's going to do this thing. It's not the government that's going to clean it. We do so by our will. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.